If your BYD Seal won't start, looks completely dead, or suddenly entered safe mode, the problem may not be the main battery. In many cases, the car is stuck in a deep sleep state and needs a simple reset using the driver door handle, the smart key, and a quick steering wheel initialization. Here is the step-by-step fix. Number 1. Confirm the real problem. When a BYD Seal enters what many owners call safe mode, the car can look completely dead. You press the start button, nothing happens. The trunk may not open, the screen stays off, the door handles may not respond, and holding the key near the start button may not help. This does not always mean the main driving battery is empty. The large high-voltage battery can still be full, but the car may not be waking its low-voltage systems, smart key system, electronic parking brake, steering sensor, and control modules correctly. Before trying the reset, check the simple things first. Make sure the charging cable is not connected. Make sure the car is in park, the brake pedal is not blocked by a floor mat, and the smart key is with you, not inside a bag full of electronics. Close the hood, the trunk, and all doors if you can. This issue has often been reported after the hood or front trunk area was left open for a while, after service work, tinting, packing luggage, or when the car seems to think it is in a service or protection state. Do not keep pressing the start button again and again. That usually does not help and can make troubleshooting harder. Also, do not start pulling trim panels, disconnecting cables, or touching anything high voltage. At this stage, the goal is not to repair the car. The goal is to wake it up safely and see whether it returns to normal operation. Number 2. Wake the car and initialize it. Take the smart key in your hand and stand next to the driver's side door. Hold the key very close to the driver's side door handle, especially near the small button on the handle. That small button is the door handle micro switch, the button normally used for locking and unlocking when the key is nearby. Now press that small door handle button 5 times in a row. Use clear, separate presses, not one long press. After the 5th press, wait a few seconds. Watch for any sign that the car has woken up. The door handles may move, the mirrors may react, the dashboard may light up, or you may hear the normal relay sounds from the car. If it wakes up, do not rush. Get into the driver's seat, press the brake pedal firmly, and press the start button 1 time. Wait for the instrument cluster to finish loading. If 5 presses do not work, try the second wake method. Keep the smart key close to the driver's side door handle and press and hold the same door handle button for about 10 seconds. Then release it and wait. This is useful when the low voltage system is asleep rather than fully dead. If the car still does not respond, try the spare key if you have it, because a weak smart key battery can also make the car seem unresponsive. Once the car wakes up, it may not be fully ready yet. You may see messages asking you to check the electronic parking brake system or asking you to turn the steering wheel. This is the initialization step. Keep your foot on the brake, turn the steering wheel gently all the way to the left, then all the way to the right, and then return it to the center. Do not force it hard against the end stop and do not hold it there. The point is to let the steering angle sensor relearn its position. After that, look for the OK indicator on the dashboard. In normal operation, the BYD Seal is ready to drive only when the OK indicator is on. Shift into drive only after the car shows it is ready. The brake pedal is pressed and the warning messages have cleared. If the electronic parking brake releases normally and no serious warnings remain, the car should be back to normal. Number 3. Handle the cases that do not clear. If the car wakes up, but the electronic parking brake warning stays on, do not ignore it. The electronic parking brake is not just a small convenience feature, it is part of the parking and braking system. Try powering the car off, waiting a minute, and starting it again with your foot firmly on the brake. If the warning still stays on, or if the parking brake will not engage or release normally, do not drive the car. Contact BYD roadside assistance or an authorized service center. If the screen turns on but the car says the key is not detected, move the key away from phones, laptops, wireless chargers, and other electronics. Try the spare key or replace the smart key battery if possible. If the smart key warning remains, the problem may not be safe mode at all. It may be a key detection problem. If nothing wakes up the car at all, the 12-volt system may be too low, or there may be a deeper fault. A fully charged main battery does not guarantee that the low-voltage side is healthy enough to wake the vehicle. In that situation, do not try random jump starting unless you know the correct low-voltage jump points and the procedure from your local manual. The safer move is to call roadside assistance and clearly explain the symptom. The car has no OK light, no start response, and the low-voltage system may not be waking up. There are also situations where this reset should not be used as a quick fix. If the car was involved in a collision, if there is a high-voltage battery warning, a powertrain warning, a strong electrical smell, smoke, or signs of overheating, stop troubleshooting and move away from the vehicle. Let professionals handle it. The biggest mistake owners make is assuming this problem is only one thing. Sometimes it is deep sleep. Sometimes it is a weak key battery. Sometimes it is a low 12-volt system. Sometimes it is an actual brake, steering, or power system fault. So after the car starts, check the dashboard carefully before driving away. Make sure the OK light is on, the steering feels normal, the brake pedal feels normal, the electronic parking brake releases properly, and no major red warning remains. If the same safe mode problem comes back more than once, book a service check. Ask them to inspect the low-voltage battery health, the hood and trunk sensors, smart key detection, software updates, and any stored fault codes. The 5-press wake method can save a trip, but repeated safe mode events usually mean the car is trying to tell you something needs attention.